The splitter kind of half-ass installed. This bracket on the outside gives you the idea of approximately where to locate it and have it come through the splitter. This is our template splitter, so never mind all the extra holes in it. This piece out here, your bracket will come down and go towards the outside of the car, so you'll mark your 2 holes for it. Like I said, this is the last bracket you install. Push this up so it's flush with the rocker panel to mark it and drill it. You'll see the bracket in here. Some of these brackets that are here, once you push it up, you may want to come and bend them down so that it'll hold the splitter level all the way towards the back of the car. You can see the nut-cert that's in this channel. You'll want to put a spacer in between this and your splitter. That bracket there, there's a bracket there that are one of the 4 that are 11 inches, or 5 I should say, starting with this one. That's 11 inches apart from the factory hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 total that you have to drill into the car. The one in the back is has a nut that you remove. Install the bracket, then install the nut. Same thing with this one. And this is where the back of it goes. These holes here, this middle one, never mind these 2, but this middle one holds the end of that long orange bracket, one like this, but yours is bent. And then this is the front of it. So approximately like this. Don't forget to drill towards the end of this and go into the car to support this end of this bracket with it. Put a nut-cert into the car and screw this into the car.